When we talk about fighting climate change, reforestation is one of the first solutions people think of. But did you know that these projects can also generate carbon credits, real, tradable assets that businesses can use to offset their emissions? Let's walk through how it works. First, understand the basic idea. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As they grow, they lock carbon into their trunks, roots, and soil. That means planting new trees or restoring damaged ecosystems can help remove carbon from the air. But to turn that climate impact into carbon credits, the project must follow a verified and measurable process. Here's how. Step 1. Define the project. A reforestation or restoration project might involve planting trees on degraded or abandoned land, restoring native grasslands or mangroves, protecting watersheds and biodiversity zones, or helping ecosystems regenerate through assisted natural regeneration. The goal is to create new carbon sinks, places where carbon is naturally captured and stored. Step 2. Establish the baseline. To calculate the project's carbon benefit, you first need a "what would have happened anyway" scenario. That's called the baseline. It could be a deforested landscape, degraded land, or unused farmland. Step 3. Choose a verified methodology. Reforestation projects must follow specific rules for measuring carbon sequestration, like how fast the trees grow, what species are used, and how long the carbon will remain stored. Standards like Verra's VCS, Gold Standard, or Plan Vivo provide accepted methodologies. Step 4. Monitor and verify. Once trees are planted or land is restored, project developers track growth and carbon uptake over time. This involves field measurements, satellite imagery, and detailed reports. An independent verifier reviews the data and confirms the actual carbon captured. Step 5. Get certified. If verification is successful, the Carbon Standard issues carbon credits, each representing 1 metric ton of CO2 removed or avoided. These can then be sold on the voluntary carbon market or retired by companies seeking to offset emissions. But restoration projects offer more than just carbon. They also support biodiversity, water conservation, soil regeneration, local livelihoods, climate resilience in vulnerable regions. That's why many businesses now choose nature-based solutions for their carbon offset strategy. They want their investment to have co-benefits, not just climate impact, but social and environmental too. At 24 Carbon, we work with verified reforestation and restoration projects that meet global standards, and we help match them with buyers who value high-integrity offsets. If you're developing a project or looking to support one through your ESG goals, reach out. We can help ensure your efforts lead to real, measurable, and lasting impact.